Here's a natural drink that helps clear phlegm and soothe coughs. So when a cough comes, don't rush to medicines right away, especially if they create dependency. First, roast the ginger and remove the burnt skin. Pineapple with ginger is already enough, but add pear because it makes the drink smoother for the throat and gentler for the stomach. Any type of pineapple works. Most people don't know that pineapple can reduce mucus and phlegm up to 5 times better than regular cough syrup. Blend everything well, add a little water if needed, then strain it. Write the word bivo to get my guide, Ayurvedic Cough and Phlegm Relief.